Friends, this is the second video on the video series MCQ questions on modern history. In case you have not seen the previous one, I request to go to my playlist and please watch them. Also, I will put a link of the previous video in the description. Before I starting, you just do one thing. I will give 15 to 20 seconds for each questions and you mark the right option and calculate your total marks. Assume is correct option carry 2 marks and each wrong one subtract 1 marks. So let's begin. Number 16. In Pune Pact between Gandhiji and Ambedkar, who signed for Gandhiji? A. G. Gokhale, B. Malviya, C. Periyar, Ramaswamy Naicker Periyar, and D. Vallabhbhai Patel. Basically, when Pune Pact was signed, Gandhiji was jailed. So someone signed in favor of Gandhiji. You have to mark the right option. I'm giving you 15 to 20 seconds. Correct option is B. M. Malviya, Madan Mohan Malviya. Number 17. Who are given a separate electorate by communal award after second roundtable conference? Muslims and depressed classes. B. Muslims, depressed classes, Indian Christians, Muslims, Sikhs, women, and all of them. Answer is all of them. Muslims, depressed classes, Anglo-Indian, European, women, Sikhs, all are given separate electorate by communal award. Next one is why Simon Commission was appointed. A. To review progress of Government of India Act 1935, to review progress of Government of India Act 1919, to review progress of Government of India Act 1909, and last one to bring reforms in police and administration. Your answer will be to review progress of Government of India Act 1999. Basically, in 1919, there was a proposal that after 1001, a commission will be set up which will review the progress of the act, how better the act is functioning. And Simon Commission was established prior to 10 years. In 1927, Simon Commission was established. Next one, question number 19. Match the following commissions with their subject matter. Lee Commission, Crisis of Indian Agriculture. Mudi-Mann Commission, Recruiting of British Officers. Linlithgow Commission, Diarchy System Operation. You have to match the commission with their work. Your option will be Lee Commission was set up to recruiting British officer. Mudi-Mann Commission was tasked for Diarchy System Operation, and Linlithgow Commission was to review Indian agriculture system. Next one, question 20. Who gave slogan Back to Vedas? Atmarang Pandurang, Swami Dayanand Saraswati, Swami Vivekananda, and Aurobindo Ghosh. Correct answer is Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Next, find correct chronological order. Gandhi Arvind Pact, Simon Commission, Pune Pact, first roundtable conference. So basically option here will be Simon Commission first 1927, then your first roundtable conference 1931, and then Gandhi Arvind Pact 1932, and after Gandhi Arvind Pact, Gandhiji take participation in second roundtable conference, and after the second roundtable conference, communal award was offered, and then Pune Pact happened between Gandhi and Ambedkar. Next one, question number 22. Find correct chronological sequence of Quit India Movement, Cripps Mission, Shimla Conference, Cabinet Mission. First one, basically Quit India Movement 1942, Cripps Mission 1942, Shimla Conference or Wabble Plan 1945, Cabinet Mission 1946. So Cripps Mission happened in 1942 March, so it will be first. So first Cripps Mission 2, then Quit India Movement 1, then Shimla Conference 3, and lastly Cabinet Mission 4. Next, which of the below mentioned movements was related to cutting of trees? First one, Chipko movement; second, Santal rebellion; third, Aha movement; and fourth, Bishnoi movement. You see, Santal rebellion was not related to it. Also, Aha movement. These both are the movement related to lands. And Chipko movement and Bishnoi movement was the movement related to cutting of trees. Chipko movement happened in Uttarakhand and Bishnoi movement in Rajasthan. Where and when Azad Hind Fauj was set up? Thailand 1945, Singapore 1943, Japan 1946, and Germany 1944. Your answer will be Singapore 1943. Next one, question number 25. Who introduced permanent settlement of Bengal? Lord Dalhousie, Lord Wellesley, Lord Cornwallis, Lord Ripon, and Lord Dalhousie. Answer is Lord Cornwallis. During which Mughal Empire East India Company was established in India? Akbar 1600, Jahangir 1608, Humayun 1590, and Aurangzeb 1664. Correct option is Akbar 1600. Basically, during Jahangir 1608, East India Company got the right of business in India. They got trade license. Question 27. Who was pioneer of Chipko movement? Ramaswamy Naikar, Vallabhbhai Patel, Sundarlal Bahuguna, Vinoba Bhave. Answer is Sundarlal Bahuguna. Next one, question 28. Who is called the Frontier Gandhi or Shimanta Gandhi? First one, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, then C. Raja Gopalachari, Vinoba Bhave, and Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Your answer is Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Next, question 29. Who established Servants of India Society? G. Gokhale, B.G. Tilak, Bhagat Singh, Aurobindo Ghosh. Answer is G. Gokhale, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Next one and last one. In which of the following movement Gandhiji first used hunger strike? Champaran Satyagraha, Bardolai Satyagraha, Ahmedabad Mill Strike, and Kheda Satyagraha. Correct one is Ahmedabad Mill Strike. In Champaran Satyagraha, it was Gandhi's first Satyagraha. Bardolai Satyagraha was important for Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He actively participated in it. So friends, this is 15 questions for this session. I will come with another video with another set of questions, and basically I am trying to make a video series on modern history. So if you find it useful, please subscribe it and like it. And also you want this content as PDF, follow me on my Telegram channel. I am providing PDF there. Also you can connect me in various social media platforms. I am giving links in the description box. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.